Good morning, everybody. It is 7:40 in the morning. Both the kids woke me up at 6 o'clock. Well, technically 6:30. Charlotte woke me up at 6, and then Ben came in the room at 6:30. But today, I don't know what we have planned. I'm definitely going to be doing my jewel order today. I'm going to probably do it this morning because I want to get in. There's another company that they had to shut down their website, and I want to be able to get my one order in before everybody else goes to that website because it could be closed for a while. So I'm going to get enough where I can do like 5 or 6 cups just because I want to make them and then kind of sell them. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, today, you know, my house isn't that bad. I'm going to keep up with it, you guys. I need to keep up with it. I've been really trying to keep up with keeping our countertop clean. I've been really trying to keep up with our kitchen table. Our kitchen table is not that bad. There's a couple things in there that I gotta put upstairs, I gotta put downstairs, I gotta make I'm starting to make another Goodwill box. I got bottles. I'm starting to go through all of like Charlotte's baby stuff, and I'm putting them in a box. Well, I just have it at the end of the kitchen table, so as I see the stuff, I just put in the box because I'm just gonna get rid of that stuff for free. Just because I feel like we don't need it. Somebody else out there might be needing it, especially with everything going on, and those bottles are from probably back when Ben was a baby, so that's what I'm doing, is just get rid of the stuff for free. It's the best thing to do. I'm gonna work on my mom's cup today. I just have to do the lid, but I gotta do one little thing before I start doing that, so I might do that right now actually. But yeah, 7:40. I don't even know if I'm going to leave the house today. One thing we are going to do is read a bunch of library books to the kids. I want to just read like maybe 10, 15 books. I know it's a lot, but I want to read a bunch of them just because I don't know when I have to bring the library books back. But yeah, and it's supposed to be a hot one today actually. It doesn't look that hot right now, but it probably is, and I should probably get outside to do my thing real quick before it gets super hot. Yeah, that's just how my day's going. I'm hoping to have a successful day, hoping to get some stuff done. Graham gets done with work early. I might even work on a couple boxes downstairs. Yeah, I just really want to get some stuff done, you guys. You have no idea. I'm just trying to see when my library books are due. I think I got like 2 more weeks left. We have 2 overdue. Oh, so they have the library. What they're doing is they are not checking stuff in. They are letting it sit for like, I think like 5 days or something like that. They basically let that stuff sit there for 5 days because if anybody has the coronavirus, they don't want it spreading, so they kind of put it to the side until it's ready to check out. So that's what's basically going on. So like I went on my website the other day and it said I had movies that were overdue, and I'm like, I'm not paying this when I dropped it off 2 days early. I also dropped this stuff off 2 days early, and I'm getting a notification that it's overdue, but they fix it, so that is good. But right now we have 21 books checked out. 21 books, so I'm hoping to maybe read half of that, you guys. Like, yeah. And then tomorrow we're going on a boat ride with one of Graham's co-workers, which is a friend of ours that we hang out all the time. I just realized my hair looks like crap. So we're going on a boat ride tomorrow. It all depends on... Brandon! No, with Elena. He wants to hang out. He wants to hang out with other friends. But we're hanging out with them tomorrow. It just depends on what Charlotte's naps are, because I don't want her like I want to kind of keep her naps kind of the same. So we might go out with her after her first nap. So that is what's going on. We already ate breakfast, so we got that going on. But I'm gonna do something real quick, and then I'm gonna start filming some videos. Hey you guys, so it is currently, I think 3 o'clock on the dot, 3:04. I put Charlotte to bed maybe about 15-30 minutes ago, and I am sitting down and relaxing. I'm watching The Last Song. It's on Disney Plus. It's with Miley Cyrus and Liam Hemsworth. So I haven't seen this movie in forever, and I wanted to see it. When they first had Disney Plus, it was on there as an option, but it says according to a different contract, they can't let it play until like May or June, and I'm like, really? Then why do you have it on there? So I'm finally getting to watch it because I've just been wanting to watch these older movies, even though this movie's not as old, but I've just been wanting to watch all this stuff. So I got that. I finished my mother's cup, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm just letting it dry, and then I'm gonna hopefully edit that video. I was gonna make a 4th of July tulle skirt for Charlotte, which I still might do. But yeah, you guys, I just received, sorry, he makes me mad because he just jumps on me all the time and he doesn't realize that he is a very strong kid, and it just makes me mad. But what I was saying is I actually got this in the mail today, you guys. It's actually hot. I was just outside for a little bit, but I got a headband in the mail today, and you guys, it's Fruit Loops. I got it with my Kellogg's Family Rewards thing. It was like 11,000 points, which I have like 37,000, I think, just from collecting them over the years. So it does say Fruit Loops on it, but I don't know, it'll kind of do. Like I sleep with a headband in my hair now because of my hair gets all frizzy at night, so this will be another headband that I can wear just to help me with my frizziness. So we got that. I was pretty excited to get that. But yeah, not else going on. I'm just gonna sit and relax. Grandma, I think, will be home in like an hour and a half. So I'm just gonna finish watching this movie while I have a second, and I will catch you guys back when I'm more productive. Hello, you guys. Sorry, I'm wearing my Fruit Loops headband. I'm just so hot, and then I hate having my hair in a ponytail because it pulls my hair, but this headband keeps my hair from being in my face. So yeah, so it is currently 8. Oh, Charlotte wants to be on camera. It is currently 8:41. Hey, can you say hi? Say hi. Yeah. So it is 8:41. Both Graham and Ben went to bed early. I'm kind of took a quick like 5-minute nap, and then I got both kids in my face. So right now it's us three. It's us 3 girls, because I got Miss Charlotte and I you Miss Paris right next to me. Yeah, she's a baby on a mission. So that's what's going on. You guys, I just had a nice relaxing day. I'm currently watching Catch Me If You Can, which I haven't seen in years. I'm about halfway done with that one. And then I'm gonna get Charlotte ready for bed. Charlotte's gonna be going to bed soon, and then I'm having my alone time. I'm gonna start getting things ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna make a red, white, and blue tutu for Miss Charlotte. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna make. Paris is like, well, what about me? If you want one, Paris, I can make you one too, okay? She's like, thanks, Mom. Thanks. So, you guys, like, this place was picked up yesterday. It's just non-stop, especially with this little thing right here. She just digs everything out. But yeah, so it was just nice to have a fun, relaxing day, you guys. I have to empty the dishwasher, which I'll probably do in the morning because I don't care right now. But tomorrow we're gonna get up and just do our thing, and then after Charlotte takes her first nap, we're going to go on a boat ride with our friends. So, you want to go on a boat ride? Yeah? Ma! Yeah! Ma! What do you have in your mouth? Give that. She puts everything in her mouth. And then she has a one-track mind because she doesn't get it back. She knows I have it in my hand. Oh, I don't have it anymore. It's all gone. She's like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm a drunk baby. He's a drunk baby. Yeah. So, that's what's going on, you guys. Nothing exciting. I finished my cup, which I think I mentioned already that I finished my cup. And I want to work on another one, but I don't. I want to start another video before I work on my other one. You're such a fake crier. So fake. Say, I'm fake. Fake. Where are you gonna take? I don't trust you with my camera, honey. Otherwise, I would totally let you hold this. But I don't trust you. I don't trust you. No, no, no. Okay, I will let you guys go. I will see you bright and early tomorrow. We're having a fun and family good 3-day weekend with the family, just the 3 of us. Or I guess there's 4 of us now. I forget about it. But I will see you guys all bright and early tomorrow. Bye-bye.